What's your horsepower gets paid?
210.
Right there, 162.2, 135. That's no VTEC. Nice curve right here for fuel mileage, for gas mileage right there. We're making power with no VTEC all the way out to the 7 grands. Eric hasn't done any manipulation really yet. He just set up, you know, having
just setting it up.
So we're looking good right now. So right now we worked out a couple of issues with the VTEC solenoid. All right, so got that worked out. Now VTEC is popping. Before we ran no VTEC, and then we thought we were running VTEC and we didn't have VTEC. Now we have VTEC. So it jumped from 166 to 207. So we're about to like really start getting into these pools and really trying to see what kind of power we're gonna extract out of here. So the new number is 221. Lines look good, air fuel ratio's looking good. And remember, like I said, we're gonna do a tune that's gonna be good and strong, but we're not trying to stress the motor. We're not racing every weekend. The car's wheel setup is not set up for that. So the tune's looking good, the motor sounding strong, it's sounding healthy. We haven't had anything else happen that's structurally wrong with this. So, and we got some things coming, all right?
Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong.